What is an articulated robot? An articulated robot is a type of robotic arm with multiple joints, designed for precision and flexibility. These robots typically have between 2 and 10 axes, allowing for a wide range of motion. They are widely used in industries such as manufacturing, welding, painting, and even food services, handling repetitive or complex tasks with efficiency and accuracy. What sets articulated robots apart is their range of movement. Unlike simple robotic systems, they can rotate, extend and adjust positions in multiple directions, making them highly adaptable for different applications. Modern articulated robots are often integrated with advanced sensors and AI, allowing them to operate with greater precision and even collaborate safely with human workers. From automotive assembly lines to precision engineering, articulated robots play a crucial role in automation, improving productivity and consistency in a wide range of industries. And that's your robot update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimise workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.